out of many, one people. And one of those many is India. India has contributed so much to Jamaica's culinary culture, giving us spice, giving us flavor. And because of that, did you guys know that Jamaica actually has authentic Indian restaurants?
And this evening, I was at the Bollywood Dhaba Indian restaurant in Montego Bay, Jamaica. See the address here?
So, make we see if Bollywood Dhaba lives up to the hype. Alright, follow.
Tell me something. On a hand heavy with the liquor?
No.
No? Okay, alright. Just want to make sure.
I drive up my belly come on Moby. I'm ready. I'm ready. As a matter of fact, I want to even feature this menu magazine, because this is not no regular menu. This is pages upon pages upon pages of options. If you're one of those people intimidated by a big menu, I am sorry, this may not be the place for you, but for somebody like me, we love options and options and options. Hold on. This menu has 21 pages. So we got one of the platters. So we're going to try a range and variety of different appetizers that they have here at this restaurant, as well as the lamb chops. Can I have a mango lassi? You see me? It's mango with yogurt, so it's sweet, it's sour. Oh. And you don't know, so me love mango already, you know. Chef Navid gave me the opportunity to teach me how to cook the chicken tikka masala. We start off with some cumin in the hot oil, followed by some garlic. Stir that up a little bit. Followed by the tomato paste. And watch it. Catch the fire! Followed by what I can best describe as them seasoned yogurt. Yeah man, this is giving me inspiration for my own cooking.
This is all Indian spices.
All Indian spices? Okay. Chicken tikka. Of course, real chicken. Okay. Oh, this smells heavenly. So this is the marinated lamb. Okay.
Appetizers.
Okay, so this is the time. 400 degrees. I can feel that heat.
Yeah. Chicken.
That's a chicken. This is the fish. Chicken. Okay. Gosh, man. Woo. Okay, alright, appetizer time. Tandoori chicken.
Yeah. You're welcome. Alright, there you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So much flavor. Just leaps out at you with the tandoori chicken. Even on the onion, oh my gosh. And this is different than what jerk chicken would do, you know what I mean? This is 100% fish. Yeah man, let me try this. And already the fish is so soft. No man, the fish. Put some green sauce right here. And green sauce adds an element of freshness, like aromatic spices to blend up. It's almost like a creamy green seasoning. I'm gonna try the mutton shish kebab. And the shish kebab is spicy, but it's not overwhelmingly spicy. And I can taste the herbs, I can taste the curry. It's like I can taste the cumin even. Lamb chop. Alright. Take a piece of the lamb chop, just taste it as it is. Firstly, I've never had lamb so tender. Right? That was a tender lamb. I don't even taste the gaminess of the meat. It's spicy. It's of course it was made in the tandoor as well, so you have that charcoal flavor. And the cilantro garnish really helps at the end. It really adds a layer of freshness at the end. Listen, hold on, lock off the camera. Give me a second, let's lock off the camera. I'm sorry. I can't even add a number rating to this. Oh, this is good beer. This is good beer. Cheers. Oh gosh, man. That appetizer platter. Those lamb chops from the tandoori chicken, the tandoori appetizers, straight up 10 out of 10. Really and truly, after tasting those appetizers, I did not know how to even make them better. The meat was moist.
So we are right now at Bollywood Dhaba in Montego Bay at Hip Strip. My name is Dheeraj. I co-own the place. Born and brought up in Mumbai, India, and moved here 10 years ago just to work. And later on, I just realized my passion towards the food industry and the kind of food that we were getting out here. Because I'm vegetarian, so I'm kind of very particular on the food that I eat. I don't have much choices, but I wanted to bring out the true, authentic flavor of Indian cuisine out here in Montego Bay, at least.
Yes.
So
Yes.
here we are.
So first and foremost, I would just like to say thank you so much for sharing your business and sharing this experience with me. In Jamaica, we have that saying, out of many, one people, and that talks about how many different cultures have come to Jamaica to really meld and to really contribute to the culture of this country.
Yes.
So even when I was in the kitchen, I saw things that I was like, wait a minute, this looks familiar.
Yes.
Like even when I see the tandoori, I'm like, that reminds me of jerk ovens.
Yes.
Like with,
Yes.
with actual charcoal and everything, but just in a different way.
Yeah.
And even some of the spices seemed familiar to me, but just presented
Differently.
What brings you to Jamaica? How long have you been here?
Okay, for me, the journey started 10
Yes.
years ago in 2015.
Yes.
And I was just working, a regular guy who moved away from home, wanted to make a mark of himself, wanted to be independent.
Yes.
As much as I love my country, Jamaica has accepted us so very well
Yes.
that we don't really feel that we are missing home.
Yes.
It's our second home. It has,
Yes.
especially Montego Bay, because all my 10 years I have spent in Montego Bay. For me, it's a little different experience because I'm vegetarian.
Yes,
I
yes.
don't eat any form of meat.
Yes.
I don't even eat eggs, no
Yes.
seafood.
Okay.
So for me, my options were always a little limited, specifically with festivals and sweet potato.
Yes.
I like Irish potato a lot.
Yes.
Grilled over the,
Yes.
I actually enjoy the flavor of jerk. So, so one of my chef, he actually uses the jerk sauce, marinates on an Irish potato, and grills it over the same
Oh my,
tandoor.
that sounds
Just for me.
Okay.
And it's not on the menu. He
Yes.
just does it for me. Sometimes
Okay.
I feel something different.
Yeah.
So, and I like spicy food.
Yes.
So I love the Scotch bonnet.
Yes.
In fact, with the Scotch bonnet, what we have done is one of our naans, like bread. So we have Scotch bonnet naan, basically called the mirchi naan.
Oof.
So it is
Okay.
spicy, that I can
Yes,
tell you. It is
yes.
definitely spicy, but the flavor of it,
The
it's
flavor is
great.
Listen, based on what I've had here, I'm looking forward to trying that for sure. I'm looking forward to the main course, absolutely. And speaking of which, this, what says menu, this should not say menu. This should not say menu. This is a magazine because I have not seen a menu with 21 pages. Okay? I know some people may be a bit intimidated, you know, looking like they, you know, they come into a restaurant for the first time, they don't know what to pick. You know, this is something that has definitely excited me, you know, but of course, I'm going to ask for your recommendation for this experience because there's just so much to try. There's so, oh my gosh, how did you,
Thank you.
how did you decide on what to put in this magazine?
Anybody who's walking in should have something to eat.
Yes.
Should have. If somebody wants seafood, it's available. If somebody wants mutton, it's available.
Yes.
If somebody wants lamb, it's available.
Yes.
Somebody who doesn't eat any form of meat, it's available.
Yes.
Vegetarian and
Yes.
meat dishes.
Yes.
We also have vegan dishes.
Yeah.
you know.
Oh, okay.
So somebody who is away from any form of dairy, we have a vegan section separately.
We do have a vegan section. Look at that.
So,
okay.
You know, so nobody's going empty stomach
Absolutely.
out of here for sure.
Everyone can be fed
Yes.
here. I love that. I absolutely love that. So for the main course, I'm going to need your
Yes.
I'm going to need your recommendation.
Or like I would say, if somebody is just visiting for the first time, experiencing the Indian cuisine
Yes.
for the first time, what we would say is because our wait staff is so trained well about this menu specifically,
Yes.
all you have to do is just inform them that this is the form of meat that I wish,
Okay.
like a chicken or a shrimp or a fish or a mutton,
Okay.
you know, and what kind of curries that you prefer, medium, spicy, mild, creamy,
Okay.
not creamy,
Oh, okay.
watery, not watery, and then they would suggest you accordingly. So let me ask you the same question.
Okay.
What kind of meat do you prefer? Mutton,
Ooh.
chicken,
Okay.
fish, shrimp?
I'm looking forward to the mutton.
Mutton?
Yes.
Okay. Medium spicy, spicy.
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 Yes.
Go for the mutton rogan josh. It's our top selling dish.
Okay.
In fact, in mutton, we have two different variations. One is with the bone
With
and
the
one
bone.
is without the bone.
All right.
So you can choose again if you want with the bone or without the
Okay.
bone.
I'll do with the bone.
With the bone, for sure.
Okay.
I
all
will
right.
set it up for you.
Thank you so very
Thank
much.
you.
Let me try the Rogan Josh. And it's not too much heat from the first bite. It's like that gradually gets spicier. I love that. The basmati rice is fragrant, seasoned with cumin, like a seasoned, spiced, not spicy, but spiced, fragrant rice. I tried the naan. Spicy naan with scotch bonnet. I love this. That's it. That gets spicier over time. With scotch bonnet. I love this. I love that. The garlic cheese naan is it. The scotchy, I kick me, man, I lie. Yeah, entirely. This is among the best dining experience I've had in Jamaica. So we have the gulab jamun here. This is fried with ice cream. So this is a fried soft donut ball soaked in sweet, flavored simple syrup. And right here we have the kulfi. This is a delightful Indian frozen dessert known for its creamy texture, rich flavors, often infused with like cardamom, saffron, pistachios. Let me try the gulab jamun first. So we're supposed to get hot and cold out of this. It's not only about the flavor, but it's also about the temperature difference.
Yes.
So I part of it was also how the texture, how the donuts and the ice cream interact.
Yeah.
You know, so I really did enjoy that. Kulfi. The kulfi was my favorite dessert at Bollywood Dhaba. Okay? It was an explosion of flavor. It was like ice cream with powdered pistachios and almonds with rose petal syrup, seasoned and spiced with cardamom, saffron. Listen to me now, man. So the food, beautiful. 10 out of 10. The ambience was nice. It was laid back. Dim lights. You can go there upon like a date type of setting. That place right there, trust me, they had everything. Well, let's talk about the service. I want to talk about the lovely staff over in Bollywood Dhaba. Thank you so very much for your accommodation and thank you for taking care of me. The fact that I can go into a restaurant in Jamaica with a magazine of a menu and you tell me that you have everything on the menu and the food tastes good and you have good customer service. So hear me say now, if you love Indian food or you just want to try something new, if you're a tourist or if you're a local Jamaican, make sure so you find yourself over at the Bollywood Dhaba restaurant. See, address right us up on the screen again.